The 10 basics that every electronics engineer must know. Hey ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Electronics Journey. If you're in the field of electronics, either as a student or just a curious learner, you must have heard about the terms like voltage, current, breadboard, etc. but still confuses what exactly they mean and what exactly they are used for. Then you're in the right place. Without making any late, let's get started. Number 1. Voltage. Voltage is the electrical force that pushes electrons through a circuit. Without voltage, electricity simply cannot move. So why is it important? Every electronic device needs the correct voltage to work properly. Too little voltage and it won't work. Too much can damage it. Where is it used? You will find voltage ratings on batteries, phone chargers, power supplies, laptops, and almost every electronic devices. So it's everywhere. Number 2. Current. Current is the actual flow of electric charge through a circuit. You can think of it as how much electricity is moving every second. So why is it important? Every component has a current limit. If too much current flows, component can overheat or fail. Where is it used? Whenever you design, build or troubleshoot a circuit, current is one of the most and one of the first things you will measure. Number 3. Resistance. Resistance is anything that opposes the flow of current. Higher resistance means less current can pass through. So why is it important? Resistance protects the components by controlling the amount of current flowing in a circuit. Where is it used? It's almost used in every single circuit, especially with LEDs, sensors, and control circuits. Number 4. Ohm's law. Simply, Ohm's law connects three most important electrical quantities in just one formula, that is V equal to I times R. So, why is it important? This is the very first formula every electronic student learns because it helps to calculate voltage, current, and resistance in almost every basic circuit. So, where is it used? From school assignments to Arduino projects and even real industrial circuit designs, you will use it everywhere. Number 5. Resistor. A resistor is a component that provides resistance to the circuit. Why is it important? Without resistors, many components like LEDs would receive too much current and burn out. Where is it used? LEDs, voltage dividers, sensors, pull up and pull down circuits, and nearly every PCB contains resistors. So that's it. The remaining terms will going to be in the part 2. So if you think this content is informative, please like, share and comment your thoughts. And if you are passionate about innovating and learning about electronics, then please subscribe to Electronics Journey.